Yep. Hello? What's up, guys? It's Susie.
Hey, I'm Todd.
We're from HeyGrillHey.com. We've had a ton of requests of people when they see this beautiful blue smoker in our Instagram stories. They want to know what it is and how to start it. And this is Todd's grill. So today we're going to show you how to fire up a drum smoker. I've never done it before, so Todd's teaching me. Are you starting without me?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go get scissors because I've watched 10 videos on how to do this and I'm just an amateur.
Oh, I thought I had it. That one? Oh, I started it for you. Okay, open it.
That's why you get paid the big bucks.
We did it!
Wow. I started from the wrong side.
Okay, Todd, give me a step 1 for firing up this beautiful blue drum cooker.
Step 1 is clean it out because you've got nasty grill drippings and old coals and dust in there. You don't want that blowing around on the next cook. So scrape this extra gunk off, guys. This is kind of gross. I mean, you can leave it if you want. I don't think it's any harm, but I like to have a bit of a clean grill.
Is that my spatula?
Yeah.
Rude!
The handiest tool. I'll wash it for you real nice. Did you just snort? About as good as you're gonna get.
It's clean for a grill.
Yeah.
Step 2.
Step 2, we want to put the charcoal basket back in. Boom.
Yep.
And then we want to fill it with some lump charcoal. So you can either dump the coals in before you put it in, but I always find that makes a bit of a mess. So I just dump it while it's in there. And also you want to use a really good lump charcoal. B&B is a good option, but especially if you can find the huge, like, mega lump charcoal, that stuff works really good on these barrels. So woo. So you want to fill it just a little over half, depending on how long you're going to cook. So if you want to go longer, then obviously fill it more, but if you're only going to go like 5 to 8 hours, probably about half to 2/3 is about all you need. So in these barrels, the best thing that I've found are just wood chunks about that size. And my favorite, because I like Texas style, is post oak. So I usually put anywhere from 10 to 15 in there. Just kind of sprinkle them on the top there. Boom, just like that. So the next thing we want to do is light a chimney, like a half a chimney of charcoal, just to put on there and then just let it burn out. Loud truck.
Fight it.
Guys, look, we got the AC rolling because we live in a hot area. I'm really sorry about the audio, but it's the info that matters. Okay, what we're going to use today is, check this out. So this is a secret of barbecue backyard pitmasters, is something like this barbecue ultra Q. So what this does,
Hashtag not sponsored.
no, I wish.
You just like it.
I just like it. So there's this thing links to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, which is pretty cool. And it links to a cloud, but it basically sends a signal. You set a temperature on the thing and it sends a signal, and this is a fan, and it blows on the coals down here. So down here at the bottom, most barrel manufacturers have this little 3/4 inch or whatever, I don't know what it is, but most of these companies will sell this adapter. So you just screw this in, and then that just pops in like that. Make sure that it's open. put this thing somewhere where you won't lose it, like I always do. So there's a power plug, a fan plug, and there's a pit temp, which is this guy that clips to the grill grates or to itself, and a food one. Then they give you this handy dandy little thing that just, oh snap, just like that. I love it, it's great. Hello. Coals are hot, so we're gonna go put them in.
Whoa.
Don't ruin the camera, dude.
Do you like my shadow?
Yeah.
That was nice.
Okay, so we dumped our hot coals in, and also this thing is just reading the ambient temperature out here, so it's like, oh, I need to blow air on here. So it's just really gonna burn this, it's gonna help, you know, burn this fire. So the coals will really start, and we'll let this go for just a little bit, let a bunch of those wood chunks catch, and then we'll put it all together and let it preheat and get ready to put meat on it.
How long are we gonna leave this in here with the hot coals on top of the not hot coals?
Like 10-ish minutes. Just let the fire really pick up. Otherwise it'll just be like plume of nasty smoke, and you don't want that. You want clean smoke. Also, don't forget to, mine was closed, don't forget to open this little thing. Whoop, here we go, airflow. Airflow. I'd say that's pretty good, guys. So now, gloves, 10 bucks off of Amazon, guys. Just, I buy a new pair once every couple months. So the diffuser plate goes in. Grill grate. We need to get this hot so we can clean it off. Now I leave it like that. Maybe even throw the lid on just a teeny bit. Open the dampener. Just like kind of on so it can heat up in there. So most of these drums, unless you're making one at home, you gotta put this in yourself, but most of these drum manufacturers, come here, put a little like excess, so that's kind of like a, so you push it through there, and then flip it onto the grill like so. Now it's reading the temp grill instead of the ambient temperature. You can watch it go up right here. So let's set this. So what temperature do we want at? 250? 250. Okay.
I'm cooking beef short ribs today.
So you hold down the side button, flashing 220. So we go up to 250. Push the side button, locked in. Boom. Now you let it just get up to temp. Probably like 20 to 30 minutes for the smoke. See how nasty the smoke is? You really want this smoke to just clear out. You don't want it to be this white nasty smoke. And you'll know when it's ready. It'll tell you. Listen, if you don't have one of these things, it's fine. And it's currently beeping at me because the temperature got above 250 and it's like, whoa, it's too high. But that's fine. So I like to bring my temperature way up, and then what you do is put the lid on and just kind of close these dampeners. And these dampeners is what's really going to help you if you don't have one of these cool little machines. Get a good temperature reading, like a ThermalWorks or something. You can read your grill temp so you know where it's at, and then just use these temperature things to kind of just up and down, and it'll really, these things will just, you don't need one of these. This is just a shortcut and a cheat because I'm lazy, but they're awesome. But you don't have to have one.
Downwind of the smoke while trying to film.
Not doing much, is it? If only there was a better grill brush option. Susie? we should fix that. Okay, just like that. So these dampers are about, so it's still sitting at about 270, but that's fine. That's a good point to start the cook. As you can see, there's literally zero smoke coming out of this thing, like, but it smells incredible, and we're ready to cook on it. Hey, Suze, cook me some beef.
You got it.